God went crazy, and yes, I went crazy with it. This is exactly, you can see the system that I've been using. As you can see on the chart, I've told you many times, I don't trade manually at all. I only use my expert advisor that is trading with God. And as you can see here, just for this month, this account that started with $100,000 is actually up like $115,000. Now you might say, okay, this is a demo account. Of course, this is the account that we connect. We put it here. I put my chart, my EA on this account, and then I connect it to my trade copier. As you can see, the performance that God has been giving us here. Right now, we have an open position, and it gave us a very good entry from here, and then it's going up here. You can even see the previous position that is showing it, that are showing here. Exactly like here, you can see that we had another rally that came from here. It was from here up to here. Then we had some consolidation and some consolidation. And right now we are still in a huge profit. So now, so even before that, you can see also we had a position that was here. It actually went all the way up here. And then after that, we had another one. And now we are having this last one that is going. I think this is the position that we are going to end the month with. So this position is almost 8,000, almost $8,300 in profit. Now I will go back to the trade copier that I'm using, because remember, I'm managing like almost $1 million account. And then what I do is that I just take the position for me, and then I connect it to my different prop firm accounts, and also a few accounts that I'm managing for some of my clients. So now let's go to, I'm using this copier, which is actually very good because the pricing is very good. And this is the copier that I'm using. And you can see the amount that I've actually connected is almost 27 accounts that are connected, almost like $900,000. So this is almost like $1 million that's managed with this account. And you can see I have like 5 master accounts and 59 5 master account that I have, and then here I have 59 slave account position that are open right now. So now just let's go and see exactly what the profit looks like right now. As you can see for this month, actually the P&L for the position that have been closed is almost like $198, but you can see the floating, what is floating right now. You can see the floating is almost $32,000 in profit that is currently floating. And then for all the slave, it's almost $21,000, because remember, I have some master accounts that are mostly like a demo account that are now connect to the real accounts that I'm trading with. Now let's go down a little bit so you can see exactly different accounts that are connected. As you can see here, we have so many accounts that are actually connected right now to our copier. You can see different amount for accounts that we have here. Some, of course, some are mine, some also managing for some of my clients. As you can see, all those accounts that have been connected, and you can see all of them are in huge profit. So let's, for example, go and take, let's try to find just one random account. For example, this account here, if we take this account here, we can see it's running in profit almost like $208. This one is $14 that is running in profit. And then let's try to see another account that has like $100,000 account that we can see here. Just a moment. So actually we have a different account size that we are managing. I will find one. Yes, for example, this account right here that we are managing. And we have this one, just one position. So we have different positions. We have one position on gold, which is running here almost $2,000 in profit. Then we have this other position on Bitcoin, and this one other position with DAX and DAX again. So this is exactly how we are managing the different account that we are having here. So floating profit, almost $32,000 floating profit. Those are for account that are almost $1 million. So as you can see, just don't believe the people who tell you that the bot don't work. Actually, I use this bot on gold. I use it on Bitcoin. I also use it on the DAX, as you can see on the German 40. As you can see right there on I showed you on the trade copy different position that is taking. But this month, of course, it was very different with gold, because you can see the performance for gold this month. Just this week, you can see here, it's almost like $42,000, which is almost like 4% of this account. And then we had like monthly 70, $4,000 for this week only, and here we have like almost $7,000 for the month, but we have also running here. So in total, that's why you can see that we've got in total, we've made almost 15% from this account only for this month. So this is it. That's exactly the way the system works. And so I can actually, it can actually trade anything. It can trade gold. Sorry, you can actually trade any type of account. You can trade your normal account or Passport Firm Challenge. And the Passport Firm Challenge, I have so many of them. I have so many Passport Firm Challenge that I have right now, even some that have just already passed the challenge. So there are so many of them that I'm just managing and then passing challenges like this. So this is exactly the thing that I was telling you about. So for anyone who's interested in founding their account and also want any account management with this type of accounts, just feel free to get in touch with me right there in the comment section. You will see all my information there, and then I'm going to show you exactly either it's for Prop Firm, it can be for managing your real account and all that. Just check there on the description, and then you will find all the information that you need, and we take it from there. So thanks a lot for watching, and then see you on the next video.